No more wilting or dropping leaves if neglected. This olive tree does not require watering, trimming, or sunlight. It is a faux tree that eliminates all of the maintenance. It comes with 2 different color olives. The green leaves are flexible and all of the stems can be bent to your liking. I like that I can set it up my way. It's adjustable, easy to assemble branches. It took me less than 5 minutes. It is durable. It is a silk with a sturdy base. It looks realistic enough with the texturing. Let's see if I can get that up close. You can see the texturing built in. Love that it is no maintenance, no water, no sunlight, no pruning. It is sturdy. I'm banging on it here and there's enough weight in the base that it doesn't knock over. And I feel like it is pretty versatile for your home office, living room, bedroom. I have this in a bedroom corner near the light. At least a 5-foot distance, it looks pretty realistic. Super easy to assemble. 2 pieces snap into the base. It all comes in one small box, 16 by 12 deep by 8 or so. So if you need it in an apartment, a small staircase, you can really have flexibility to get this wherever you need it. The base is fairly heavy. It comes pre-assembled with the stem and the base. 2 metal prongs slide into the preset holes for 5 feet, and you get additional pieces when you move to the 6 and the 7-foot piece, but the assembly process is the same and it does need fluffing out of the box. I am using this basket to house the base, and then I assemble the tree from there, again, under 5 minutes. Super easy assembly, and the base did not tip at all on me when I was building nor fluffing. I do think this may be best indoors, but could be used outdoors, possibly under a covered patio. I am 5'2", and it is indeed 5 feet tall in build. You can choose higher options. I then go just take either moss, or this hack is just a little throw blanket. You wrap it around the base. Easy, attractive decor in under 5 minutes. And overall, I feel like it gives me nature's charm that's maintenance free. It's the 5-foot plant, no-brainer in my opinion, and fills in my empty corner just beautifully. If you found this helpful, please give it a like so I can make other videos like this.